Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about 5 advanced words because in my opinion, without vocab, you won't be able to exaggerate your conversation. Okay, so let's see how many sentences we can create with this word. Okay, and get into the video. In the beginning, I would like to say this word like shocked rice. What does that means? That means panthavat. Okay, you can say we will have shocked rice tomorrow morning. We will have shocked rice tomorrow morning. After that, the next word is star fruit. Star fruit, that means kamranga. You can say my father gave me some star fruit yesterday. My father gave me some star fruit yesterday. So let's see the another word. This is called awkward. Awkward, that means অস্বস্তিকর, or you can say অদ্ভুত. You can say this is an awkward plan, or you can say differently, this is an awkward idea. After that, you can say I feel awkward when I meet the new people. Okay, let's see the another word. This is called pop rice. Pop rice, that means koi. Okay, you can say I feel like eating pop rice. I feel like eating pop rice. Okay, after that, you can say have you had pop rice? Have you had pop rice, or have you eaten pop rice? Okay, so eventually I would like to say this word like pop rice. That means muri. Okay, that means muri. You can say I'm going to market to buy 1 kilo of pop rice. 1 kilo of pop rice. Okay, or you can say do you like pop rice? Do you like pop rice? Okay, I like pop rice a lot. So in this way I will arrange my conversation. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point, what I'm trying to say. And no more late. Till then, take care, keep practicing. Assalamu alaikum.